I would think there would be fish holding in this hole. I think we might have to adapt on the water. I think I might head over to Rice Lake.
If you're not out fishing, if you're not out exploring, in the elements and having fun, what the hell are you guys doing?
Good morning, guys. My plans for the day have essentially been shot. I was gonna fish a small creek for some rainbow trout and just try to get on some fish, but there's been a lot of rain off and on this week, and the system that I'm fishing, which I'm not gonna name, is essentially blown out. So we're coming up on a section of the river that, you know, when there's not a lot of rain, there'd be a lot of pocket water behind me, some pools, a few runs, but nothing like this. And I'd probably be able to pick it apart a little bit with a dry fly and some nymphs, but this morning I can't seem to find where the fish are hiding. It's probably right against the bank, tucked in behind the big rocks and the slow water. So it's gonna be tough for me to find them this morning, I think. And I've already been trying for a while. It's been pretty dark out. I think we might have to adapt on the water. I think I might head over to Rice Lake. So I think I'm gonna do that now, guys. It's a little bit of a drive and trek, but it is what it is. But you just can't beat being outside, man. It actually could be fishy right there. There's a nice deep hole right here. This fly might not be deep enough. I would think there would be fish holding in this hole. Okay, guys. Thin mint bugger. Trout flies down in Utah. I'm essentially trying to Euro nymph this hole. Alright, 2 more casts, then we're gonna head to Rice Lake. Be the fastest that I've ever ran to a fishing trail. Because I gotta move my car, it's a 6-minute drive, and then I gotta do a bunch of walking, and then I've got about 20 minutes on the water. All right, guys, let's bring it in. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go.
I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you're not out fishing, if you're not out exploring in the elements and having fun, what the hell are you guys doing? I've got like 20 to 30 minutes on this dock to fish. Oh, look how pretty it is. Woo! Oh, let's go. There's not a soul in Greater Vancouver that is willing to brave mild rain in order to try to catch fish. Except for this guy. At least not at this lake. Alright, we're gonna keep the thin mint bugger on. It's about 10 feet down from my floating line. And I'm just gonna assume that the depth is pretty good, let it sink down, and then slowly strip it back, maybe hand twist retrieve. Let's see what happens, guys. We just missed a jump right there. Just missed a rise. My buddy Bob in Utah, who tied this thin mint bugger and sent me a whole bunch of sweet, amazing trout flies, and who you should go check out his channel and ask him to ship to Canada. He told me that come colder weather, what's going to happen is, due to thermocline, these fish are going to move up a little bit in the water column because the warmer water, or the warmer water is going to move up, and so these fish won't be sitting on the bottom, and they'll be kind of maybe at this point more mid-column. I don't know if anyone ever fishes this side. It's a little bit shallower. The water in this lake is much higher than it was in the summer. Not altogether surprising. I just saw another rise out there, guys. I wonder what they're rising for. If it's emergers, like midge emergers coming off the bottom, or if that's, I don't see anything flying around, so it's probably emergers. I was really hoping that creek was gonna give me a trout, but it was just not in the cards. Too much water came down this week. Walking into the clouds, guys. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. Good luck fishing. I hope you get into one before I do. Bye, guys. Oh, let's go. I'm dying. I have no cardio at all.